Welcome to Market Insight Weekly and Crypto Weekly Forecast for December 27. So let's start with news. So for next week, we have FOMC meeting on Tuesday, December 30 at 1 p.m. Unemployment claims on Wednesday, December 31st, 7:30 a.m. So let's start with weekly forecast. Ethereum, we can expect three long entries. So it is consolidating from 2637 to 3608. If it breaks that consolidation at 3608, then we can go long, targeting 4197. If it comes back at 2637 and get a bounce, then we can go long, targeting 3622. And the third entry could be in the FVG zone, that is 1816. It could be not exactly like 1816, but between 1816 to 2240, anywhere in between, targeting 3649. For XRP, the support zones are 1.6372, 1.4535. So whenever we see a bounce from the support zone, we can enter long, targeting 2.2095. For Solana, so support zones are 85.06, 50.82. Whenever we see a bounce over here, so we can target 136.88 after going long. So Bitcoin also is consolidating. Either it can go down, come down till 74608.01 first, or it can break 94240.87. So whatever is the case, we can go long. If it comes down at 374323 and get a bounce, then we can go long, targeting 94240. If it breaks out this consolidation upwards, 94240, then we can go long, targeting 107044. So to recap, we are expecting the long position, but at a certain support areas. For Ethereum, support areas are 2623, 1810. For XRP, support areas are 1.6018, 1.4645. For Solana, support areas are 86.15, 52.17. So Bitcoin support areas are 74459, 67463. So whenever we see a bounce on any of the support area, we can go long, targeting next resistance level. So that's for Crypto Weekly Forecast. See you next week.